Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and in today's video I will be showing you how I created my birthday nails. So be sure to stay tuned. If you love press-on nail content or you're just new to my channel, I make press-on nail content here on YouTube. So I did want to first say that I know it's been so long that I've created a video. I was having some medical issues. Everything's better now. I am feeling better. Thank you, Lord Jesus. And that's why I've been gone so long. So thank you for your patience with me. I have missed making content. I haven't made nails in like 4 months, and I've been just craving to make press-on nails, and I was finally able to make some. So I'm back. My goal right now is hopefully to make at least one video a week. I gotta start off slow. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, I make press-on nails here on YouTube, and I love everything about press-on nails. I have a press-on nail business. I sell custom press-on sets. So if you're interested in that type of content, please subscribe. Don't forget to like the video so others out there can go ahead and watch my content as well. And thank you so much for being here if you are new, and if you are already a subscriber, so nice to see you again, and thank you so much for being here. I appreciate all of your support. So the first step that I do to make my nails, as you can see, I am using my 3XL square press-on nails full cover tips, and I do go ahead and etch the top of them with some primer that just chemically buffs them. You can use a regular hand file or an electric file, it's up to you, but I personally just use the primer just to save pressure on my hands because I have carpal tunnel really bad, and that just helps my wrists and my fingers to not hurt as bad. And so after that, I do go ahead and apply a thin layer of base coat, and I cure for 60 seconds. Any base coat will work. I actually refilled my Beetles gel polish bottle with a rubber base, so you can use whatever base coat you have on hand. And then after you cure for 60 seconds, then you're able to go ahead and go over the nails with your color of choice. And as you can see, for this particular design, I am going to make some French tips on the first 4 nails. The pinky, I'm going to go ahead and make that different. And for the French tip design, I'm going to use this color from Melody Susie. I absolutely love this color. It's so pretty. All these gel polishes from Melody Susie so far that I've used have been amazing. This white and black gel polish, they didn't even have a sticky layer. This is the first time I've been able to use them because, like I said, I've been out so long. And after they cured, they didn't even have a tacky layer like at all. So I don't know if that's normal. Let me know down in the comments if these particular gel polishes don't have a tacky layer or not. And I also want to mention that this black gel polish was absolutely amazing for chrome. So you will see that here in a minute when I do the pinky nail. But anyways, this is how I go ahead and do my Frenchies. If you have trouble making French tips like me, I struggle a lot in the beginning, but I went ahead and started doing this method where I just paint the base first, and then I go ahead and cure that for 30 to 60 seconds. And then once I'm finished, I add a second layer, and then I'll go ahead and cure that again. And then I'll start with the French tip part. So I do go ahead and use a 25mm liner brush, and I will just outline the smile line with my color of choice. Today I'm using black and white, and I am alternating the colors. And then I do go ahead and just outline the outside of the nail. And then once I'm done, I go ahead and fill it in with the gel polish bottle. And this black gel polish from Melody Susie was so pigmented. I absolutely love this white and this black gel polish. And also I did remember that Nails Slayed by Val mentioned that it's only the silver bottles that have this effect. I think it was the white gel polish that it's super pigmented. I don't remember if she mentioned the black, but it's the silver bottles that are 1 coat coverage, and that's what I have. So luckily, you know, it is really pigmented, and I did just use 1 coat. So I highly recommend you guys go ahead and purchase this. I got this off of Amazon, and they were very affordable. I believe they were like $10, I think, for the pair. I don't remember, but I'll be sure to leave everything that I used in today's video linked in the description box below. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some pink to the design, and I went ahead and used this pink called Flamingo from Nail Reserve LA. I absolutely love their gel polishes as well. I highly recommend them if you've never tried them out. And I am just going to go ahead and make random designs on each nail. So after I made the French tips, I am just going to paint different patterns on each nail. This particular nail is going to be the ring finger, and I am going to leave a space because I'm going to go ahead and put the Aquarius charm on this nail, which is going to be the ring finger. And then once I'm finished with this design, I do go ahead and I cure it for 60 seconds. And then I couldn't find my blooming gel, so I went ahead and just used some base coat. If you don't have blooming gel, you can use base coat to bloom out your blooming effect. So that's what I'm doing today. I am going to go ahead and apply that to the thumbnail. I just apply it on the black part, and then I am just going to go ahead and take the pink. I did start off with a dotting tool but changed to the brush. It was just easier. And don't even worry about this being perfect. It's supposed to bloom out, spread out, and kind of look messy. I don't know how to explain it, but don't worry about this part being perfect. There's no such thing as it being perfect, because the more it blooms out, the better. You can go ahead and let it bloom out as little or as much as you want. And then once you're ready, like with the design that you're satisfied with, then you'll go ahead and stick it in the lamp for 60 seconds. I went ahead and alternated the pink with the white, as you can see, and I just absolutely love this blooming effect. It's so pretty. I love this design so much. So I cured that for 60 seconds. Next is the pointer finger. And for this nail, I couldn't choose between cow print or cheetah print, so I decided to do both. Half of the nail is cow print, and then the other side is going to be some cheetah print. And I just went ahead and just made some black blobs with the dotting tool, and then I used the dotting tool to make some pink dots. And then after that, I cured for 30 seconds, and then I came back with the same dotting tool and just put some black around the little pink dots. And again, this doesn't have to be perfect, just make some little splotches around them, and there you go, you got cheetah print. So then once I was finished with that, I went ahead and cured that for 60 seconds. And since this gel polish was super pigmented, I wanted to make sure it was fully cured, so I did a full 60 seconds. Now I'm going to go ahead and work on the middle finger, and this one I didn't record me applying the base coat, but it's the same concept as the thumb. I applied the base coat over the black part without curing. I went ahead and applied the pink with the dotting tool, and as you can see, this is called the croc print design. There's the 3D, and then there's this one, the blooming gel. I went ahead and did the blooming gel. So I just went ahead and added dots and let it spread out to my liking. And then once I was finished, I went ahead and cured that for 60 seconds. I absolutely love these nails. Look at how pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now for the pinky, I'm going to go ahead and go in with some chrome. I decided to go with some silver chrome. I think pink, black, white, and silver, they just go so well together. And look at how well this chrome powder applied to this black gel polish. I did not apply top coat. I didn't do anything. I didn't wipe it off. I didn't do anything. Like, I just went ahead after I cured it, for 60 seconds and just went straight with the chrome, and it's so pretty in person. It came out so like chromy and not glittery. I've had that problem in the past where the chrome looks like splotchy and glittery, and this black gel polish made it absolutely flawless. So after that, I brushed off the excess. And then here's all of my silver charms. Who loves charms as much as I do? I love nail charms. And I was indecisive of what nail charms to work with, so I went ahead and just pulled out a few. And then here is the Aquarius nail charm that I was telling you about, because I am an Aquarius. My birthday is in January. Woohoo! And so I went ahead and decided on these charms right here. And I did leave out the one like with the stars at the top in the middle, but I did use the rest of them. So to apply my nail charms, I did go ahead and use my McCart rhinestone glue, and I applied that on the ring finger. As you can see, the Aquarius nail charm, it looks so pretty. And then I'm going to continue using my McCart rhinestone glue and apply the rest of my nail charms. I went ahead and started off with the lion head, and then just decided to just go down the line with those silver beads. Those are so pretty. And then at the end, I did get a little indecisive because there was space left and I didn't know what to put on there. So I went and searched through all my charms and decided to go ahead and add a silver cross with like a diamond in the middle. And I think it just finished the nail off perfectly. I was so happy with it. And then once I was done applying the charms, I went ahead and cured that for 60 seconds. And then I am going to go ahead and continue apply the rest of the charms with the glue, and then I'll cure for 60 seconds after each nail. That way they don't move around, because if you just leave them standing on your nail stand, they're going to like slide all over the place. So I recommend you flash cure them, or just go ahead and place them in the lamp right away so that they don't move. And that's what I did. And I don't know what happened to my footage, but once I was done applying all the nail charms and I cured them all on the lamp, I did go ahead and apply top coat. And my top coat that I use right now is Kupa Top Coat. I did go ahead and buy the big bottle off of Amazon because I was tired of buying $10, $10, $10, $10, you know, always running out. And so I decided to go ahead and just buy it wholesale, I guess, you know, just a bigger portion, and just start refilling my Born Pretty bottle. And I absolutely love this Kupa Top Coat. Like, I've never ever experienced a top coat like it. I first thought Beetles was the best, and then I thought Born Pretty was the best, but this Kupa Top Coat makes your nails so strong. I can't believe it. I absolutely love it. So yeah, here's how the nails look after they've been finished. I think they're so pretty. Thank you so much for being here. Let me know down in the comments what you think, and I hope I see you in the next video. I will be doing a Maniology PR package video, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Thank you. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.